There it goes. What the fuck? Okay. We were having an issue a minute ago. Okay, we are live. Okay, that's good. Be right back. Okay. Um. Mm, should be good. Get the microphone away from my face. Okay, let's see if there's anybody I can get to pop in here. Damn, I can't type. Okay. If I click play on music on my own stuff, does it... it doesn't seem like it. Okay, good. Create material, m_blood. We gotta create our own materials because we're not able to do this right. What the hell's going on here? Like, why does it look like there's white? It looks like crap. That's not good. Oh shit, big boy camera isn't even on. There we go. Starting to think that this image wasn't transparent. Let me double check. Open image. There's the blood one. Yeah, so this is what we're using. And it said it was a PNG. Something tells me that was a lie. Should have been a PNG. That's what it downloaded as, but sure. Oh, unlocked. Looks like shit. I gotta get rid of all of that. This is gonna be annoying. Put down to like one freaking pixel. Like, I don't know if I want to do all this or what. Super annoying, dude. What the hell did it do that for? It didn't save it as a PNG. I wonder if there's like a way to like quickly remove pixel things. If there is, I don't know how to do it. Just gonna go around and draw my way through it essentially. Okay. This is the tedious part. Crap sucks. Get rid of most of this. I might leave some of the whitish reddish pixels so it blends from one to the other. But I don't know how that would look. Because this is only going to be a very quick splatter, I think. Maybe. I don't know if I'm going to have this one be a splatter or if this one's going to be like a spat on the floor once you shoot something. Plus, it's going to be a very small spat. Like, it's just going to be like a quick on the screen type of thing if it is in the air type of spatter. So it shouldn't matter. I'm not going to go too pixel perfect with it. That's why I'm not going too damn slow. There we go. Something quick. Quick and easy. I just think this is only half of it. I still got so much to do. Wish I had a drawing tablet. Just draw my own blood. That shit's expensive. I should just reach out to Gorka and see if he still has his files. The guy I'm literally following the tutorial on to learn how to make a blood spatter effect. I literally talked to him personally. I could just be like, hey bro, you still got that file? But it'll be a while till he responds because we're different time zones. He's all the way across the world. Oh, my eyes are burning. Swear I didn't smoke no pot. Mixed up gonna mix it up, make a... Wow, there's a lot of cleanup on this one. I'm gonna get rid of most of the outer edge pieces, but I don't know, I might take some of it and clone it out and make it smaller little chunks. Like all these little pieces out here, they just need to go bye-bye. But I'm going to worry about the main spatters first and then go back. Already looks 1,000 times better. Pretty sure there's like a sharpen filter on here that you can do. Wonder if ChatGPT can create me a texture. Pretty sure that'd be a whole different type of ChatGPT. And when you're going into that genre, you might get some things you don't want to see. Okay, so if we zoom out, got a little bit over here to mess with. Get that out of the way. Most of this looks pretty clean. There's a couple little spots in here we can get rid of. A couple little spots there. So now we can take the brush size up to like 35. We'll just get rid of most of this junk down here. It's sad that I had to do that, but it pixelated the crap out of it, shrinking it down this small, so we can't use half of it. Don't look too bad. I think we'll just go with that. We'll do PNG full size, blood. Do blood 2. I didn't sign in, so I only have one download left. Okay. That's Google Drive. I'm not using those. That's for the 3D models. Blood 2, right click, create material, m_blood_2. Okay, opaque, translucent. A to opacity. So much better. Okay, let's go back to that video real quick. Close that, and let's see what else he does. Come on. Go to FX, right click, new, and then Niagara system. Oops. Omnidirectional burst based off of that. Blood splatter. Come on. Hope I closed the Niagara system too, I guess. I'll keep that open because we're going to need it. There's a way to do this. Oh yeah, here. 0. Damn it. Sprite renderer, change that. So what we can do, let's go to textures, and then we're going to select the blood 2. Click arrow. I can't even see it. Perspective, lit, show grid. Like, oh, there it is. It's very hard to see that. Where's the background image here? I know there is one. Show FPS, layout, more options, motion. Yeah, well, you can kind of see it right there. It spawns just barely. So if we change that up, it should be thicker. That's much better. I gotta see what it looks like though. So we can apparently add the blood spatter in here. We can see what it looks like. Hold Alt S, apparently. Alt S. Oh, that's so cool. It's not working now. Oh, it's because it literally plays the game. I didn't realize that. It simulates the game. Alt S instead of Alt P. It's Alt simulate instead of Alt play. That's such a cool thing. I did not know that was a thing. I like mine. So 75. Hold up. Particle collar is what it's called. Particle. What the hell? Where's it at? Apparently some particle. Oh, how if I spell it right? Particle color. Okay. Multiply off of the RGB. Off of the RGB. Let's get the alpha, multiply it. That's multiply, and then we'll take this alpha. What the fuck? Take this alpha into this opacity. That's not what I meant to do. God damn it. Okay, so there's the blood spatter effect that I want to do. So now in here, this is going to be the new blood spatter, P blood spatter. So spawn emitter and spawn particle maybe? So this is just the FX. It'd be like spawn particle or freezing. Okay. Spawn particle attached instead of emitter attached. Rotation. I don't know what we did. Hold up. Oh, it's a scale. Okay, so split struct. Rotation and then that. Okay, gotcha. So rotation into that, location into that, this into each. Keep relative rotation, none. The emitter template should be blood. These are cascades. I need to actually run the spawn emitter. Spawn particle. Oops. If I can spell it right. Naira, maybe? How do we run a particle effect? I don't normally use these. Okay, so spawn decal at location, which is just an image. Line trace, take damage. Spawn dorm. Spawn system at location. God damn it, I can't. We'll probably do attached. Blood splatter. We'll see how this works. We'll do rotation, location. We don't have one for scale, so I think it just takes the actual scale. Attached component shouldn't be attached to anything. Then we're gonna do the applied damage, maybe. Let's see. We'll change it from simulate to selected viewport. Okay. Give it a second. They'll spawn. Oh, hey, bud. That didn't work. Attach point, none. Oh, that's why. Mesh. That's not what I wanted, bro. Nice. Sort of. don't like that. So who location impact? I don't like this. I just wish we could get these to work, but they're glitched. Okay, one more try then. Go down to weapon, dark, effects. Do like that one, okay, yeah. We'll try it one more time, duplicate, enter, open it. There's only 4 in here, so collar over lifetime. Nice. Red? Why does it look orange? Collar over lifetime. Collar over lifetime. Okay, so that was with that one. So Control C. On emitter attached. That's the second one. Attached component. Location. Rotation. Scale. Split. Keep relative. Da, 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 da. This is fingers crossed that this works because I don't know what's going on. I can't tell if it's working. It's not. Why? What is that? I can see it working, but then there's that too. I don't know why it does that. That makes no damn sense. Okay, anyways. So I don't mind it, but it has those weird ass particles, dude. It's quite annoying. Like the actual emitters there. Ugh. Oh, lag. And so like it works. Sort of. Yeah, see, it's hitting over there, though. Keep rolling. What the fuck? Keep roll position. Keep relative offset. Pulling method. Yes, I'm just double checking mine with his, and mine's a little different, but sure. Caller over lifetime, caller over lifetime, caller over lifetime. That means they're all variants of red. Oh, fuck. Oh, I don't know. I'm pretty sure this is all just as a knife trace. I don't know if I'm going to put a knifing system in here or not. I don't know what I should do. Why is OBS on that screen now? What the hell? I don't know what I want to do. Yeah, what the fuck's going on here? Yeah, he's doing the fade out for the zombies at the dead body when it's... I'm not doing that. Okay, so zombie attack fix. Come on. Nope. Round based. New enemy actor blueprints. Okay, so attack rotations, take damage, tick. Hold up, I missed something. He made a function called attack rotation. If I can type. Damn. Okay, so that should make it more accurate. Hopefully. Bro, why do you do that for? Why does OBS do that crap? Not like this if I click on... What the fuck? OBS, you good, homie? Basically what it was is he would just swing and sometimes miss us. They would, so... We made it on if they start their attack or whatnot. It'll force the rotation of the zombie to be facing more towards us than anything, so they have a better chance of actually hitting us. So if we jump over here, you see like we're turning as much as we can, so like you're gonna get hit. Sometimes he might miss you. Yeah, One second. Pretty cool. It makes it easier. See, I'm not probably going to do a stab trace, to be completely honest with you here. Adding hit sounds. Download link is Google Drive. I thought we already had those. Are this just the zombie stuff? Guess we gotta download something from his Google Drive. Headshots, hit marker, wave, and empty clip. Shooting impacts. Folders and files inside that folder. Okay. So this and this will download. Okay. Extract files. And those are the new files. So what we could do is content browsers, enemy actor, new folder, sound effects, hit marker stuff, add, there we go, headshot. We're going to change the pitch to 0.5 maybe? Oh, what the fuck? Why does that sound like that? He went 1.5 on his. 1.5 volume, looping, group defaults. Save maybe? It's gonna be a quick one, but on hit marker. So these are the sound effects. So what happens, like, you hit markers. play sound. I'm gonna do attached. Probably gonna do this one myself. So sound, I don't know if we need to make it. Let's do hit marker first. Hit marker. I guess we can just kind of do the same thing we did here. Control C, Control V. Attach point, none. Basically just do everything the same. So location, rotation. Don't need that. I have no idea if you guys can hear this. I can kind of hear it. So maybe we don't want to do it attached. We just want to play spawn sound. Play sound 2D. Hit marker. Volume, owning actor. Learning curve. Oh yeah, that red's not looking good from the other one. I got a light next to me that's all red. I like it. I want it to be louder, a little bit. So 1.8. I don't even know. You all should be able to hear this game. Yeah, you can. Oh, that sounds so damn good. Oh, that was great. So apply damage, shoot location, impact, hit enemy. Let me see something here. Get rid of these. Most of this we can bring back in. Cast to, if it failed, bounce recoil. Wow, that's jammed in there. Play sound 2D, shoot location, impact point, bow name, take damage. Dead. So let's do equal. What we'll do, bring this out. We'll do a branch. Make sure it's plugged in. We're making sure the bow name is going to be mesh. Okay, hold up. Find the mesh. Yep, skeletal mesh. We'll go to here, maybe? Yeah. It was a spine too, essentially. Let to copy the name. What the hell? Spine 2 then, sure. Spine 2. If it's false, continue. If it's true, we'll do a play sound to D. It's still going to do everything else, but we also want it to do that. And we want it to be headshot. So regardless, it's going to go through, but it'll change different sounds. I hope. Okay. Yes. Oh. It fucking works. His arm was in the way, so I didn't get a headshot. Oh, yeah. That's so cool. So it detects whether it's a headshot or not, changes the sound of the hit marker. See, he's doing his a little differently, I think. I'm not doing it the way he's doing. I don't like that. So here's the round system stuff. Okay, so we already did this one. I'm pretty sure I did this one. Yeah, so I already did this one. This is already a working system. What the fuck did I just do? Finish, execute, attacking player. Okay, that's what I'm on now. I'm just watching something real quick, trying to get information. Fuck. So we've already done that one. So walkers and runners is what we need. Okay, so we're going to basically restart everything now. Let's do. Zombie Walk 2, he said, so I should have it. Zombie 1. Wait, he seriously didn't update it as he went? They're all different? Oh. Let's say, what the fuck, dude? You're doing a tutorial and you're providing things. I thought he just didn't provide an updated version of his files. I'm like, dude, what the fuck? And yes, we're watching tutorials to figure some stuff out. ABP Zombie Animation Blueprint. Hold up, bud. Okay, locomotion. Zombie Walk. Zombie Walk 2. Zombie Walk 2. There we go. Why did he do it that way? He put it in here. Took this one. Took the walk speed to 80. And the rate scale to 0. That's Zombie Walk 2. Number 2. 0, 1, 2. Fuck. So this one's gonna go to 80. Damn it. I keep hitting the wrong button. 2.05. So here's the initial walking speed. What the hell happened here? Hold up. Oh, okay. That's idle, that's why, okay. I'm just going off what he has here, so 0. That's for the first one. This one's literally 0.01 and 0, 80 and 2.05. That makes it's just like that. It's like a faster walk, and then we're gonna actually have a running speed too. Why is OBS going over there, dude? It's pissing me off. It looks super weird. Okay, another one at the very end. This would be the highest amount. Rate scale be 1.2. We got idle, kind of like not moving, idle, walking towards the player, kind of like jogging, and then full sprinting. It's kind of goofy but cool. Walk speed. So confusing. I hate this. Wait a second. It's 30 centimeters a second. So yeah, okay, that should be fine. 3,000. What? Oh my god. I hate these values. I hate the way they transfer things over. That's 3,000 centimeters a second. I need 30 centimeters a second is what I need. So if I put 300 in here, 3 meters a second, and compile, it'll say 300 centimeters a second. But if I put 30, hold up, what does that do? 30 centimeters a second. We're good. I hate the math. Oh, now we gotta open the game mode. Blueprint, third person game mode, zombies. Why are we lagging? So that's in, I think here, set total zombies in round it is, we got these here. So this is set attack damage, health, and speed. Okay, so this will be changing all that. We got a lot of the functions. You got run speed. Float. Clamp, float. This is complicated shit. That's why I'm watching shit. Select float. Oh, it's just a select node, okay. Select. Round number. Twenty. 5. It goes into the true. This is just shit that I don't understand. I know I'm not talking much because I'm lost. We'll see. I'm assuming we're going to do the same thing for running. So we just, yeah. I'm assuming. It's like the one thing I hate about following tutorials and shit that I don't understand. This dude is annoyingly slow, taking his sweet ass time to explain even simple shit. So it's like, dude, it's like, hurry the fuck up. It's a 30-minute video that could be a 10-minute video. And 375. Mine's 375. Add 5 to there. I'm not closing shit. Event graph. That's a zombie game mode, okay. Event graph. Need to be in here. Really? I'm gonna get me a drink. See, that was right before the spawn. Hold up. If we have the branch, the spawn. Okay. God damn it. So set, walker, runner, da 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 da. Oh man, my nose. Come on now. What am I using my data? I'm gonna turn the damn Wi-Fi off. Give me 1 second. Yeah, that's me here. I am live. I am live. Come on, just send the damn link. Must have. Yeah, damn, I can't type. Okay, let that bad boy charge. Oh, yeah. So it should be an integer because they're individual numbers. They're not decimal pointed numbers. I'm going to set. Total zombies in round. Hold up. Divide. Single precision float maybe. Single. To float from the integer. Multiply by that. That'll give me a number out. Okay, that should be set. Let's see here. But yeah, right now we're actually just watching a different video, learning how to spawn some of these things because I'm not very good with AI stuff, so we got to figure it out this way. So I had to watch something. So we're probably not going to be too talkative right now, but we'll get there. Okay, so if we're dividing this by 20, if we're on round 20 and we divide it by 20, it'll be 0. Taking the total rounds, I don't know. He was saying something. Hang on. Okay, yeah, but literally after round 20, most of the zombies should be pretty fast and pretty much runners all around. Oh, this is what we're watching. This guy right here. He says add a branch. Number is less than or greater than which one? See, this dude pauses for like 5 minutes between each word he says, and it's what makes these videos so fucking long. This motherfucker needs to learn how to edit. Wait, walk speed and then promote it to a variable? It's already a fucking variable. What are you talking about? What the fuck? Why are we promoting this to a variable? This is confusing. Runners and round. And if that's true, this is so fucking weird the way he's doing this. Yeah, he's watching, he says. Jesus Christ, dude. So much code. float in range. Next one. Equal. What the fuck? Zombie spawn. So this dude's doing some weird ass math and it makes no sense to me. Wait, so he changes these to float double precision. Float double precision. Divide that one with this one. What the fuck kind of math is this? This dude has his phone going off in his videos, and he pauses to take the call. He has his alarms going off. He stutters over his words 100 times, and it's literally, this is a 30-minute video I'm watching, and he doesn't explain jack shit. It is, what the fuck just happened? Why did my OBS keep going to that screen, bruh? I was like, what the fuck? Turn that off for a second. I'm just waiting for him to finish explaining what he did here. He's just talking out his ass. Okay, so what he's saying is connect from this false to this false. So we'll just do it like this. Everything's lagging. This dude is so damn confusing. Okay then. Oh, we're gonna increment it. Oh, we're finally gonna be working with the spawner. It's been so long. Let's go to new and then spawner. There's so much here that I don't even understand at this point. Mainly because this dude doesn't explain things good at all. He just works on something until it works, and he doesn't understand why it works. But he's doing tutorials on how to teach how it works when he doesn't even understand it himself. He just made it out of pure luck, and he says that himself multiple times. So he sucks at explaining this shit. Set that to a float. Okay, so I already did that, okay. For the most part. I already have that, holy crap. Okay, so he's just gonna connect it like this instead. So I did my own code here. I wasn't waiting on his slow ass. This is when I was doing a lot of testing, and mine technically worked. So we're setting the health, we're setting the claw damage, chasing speed. I don't know. Okay, this dude's fucking confusing. Jesus. Okay, so we got Matt. Okay, yeah. Spawned. Come on now, set. And then we're just gonna set it to 0 whenever it starts a new round. We still have 5 minutes of this video. Okay, so he's adjusting this to test it. So we're starting at round 0, which means it will switch to round 1. Let's set this around like 40. This will spawn a lot of zombies, but it's worth a shot. Oh god, this could be bad. Oh god, I picked the wrong gun. There's still walkers. This will be spawning a lot of zombies. I don't like the hit marker sounds with the shotgun. It sounds like shit. Look at all these zombies. Huh. That's crazy. Huh, okay. See, his worked. What the fuck, dude? Max walk speed. Set max walk speed. I'm just gonna change this over here. Gonna take this and we're just gonna get that out of there. I don't know, it's not jumping through to it. Got the character movement, we're setting that based off that number we're setting through. And then this is the spawn, set F walk runner. So what we'll do is event graph. We'll go up to the event begin play, where the hell that's at. Or event tick, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna get max walk speed. I want to print that number out. That's on 1, so it should be all right. Right now it's 0. .15. They're all slow. We don't have a single runner. I'm gonna do 10 because it says half of them. So if we've not hit half the number yet, it ain't gonna work. So we'll just do around 10. And hopefully it'll work. .7. You see that? Some of them have different values. 91. I said some of them had different values. I'm not seeing a single one of them with a different value. Oh shit, get out of there. I don't see a single one with a different value. It says there's a different value. Whenever they were spawning, it was giving me 2 different values based off of whatever, but yeah, I don't see. Huh. I don't know. They're not none with a different value. Look, it's still spawning them too because it has a max it can hit. You kill them, it will continue spawning what's left. That's so awesome. You can see the number value at the top changing. Huh. They also don't seem to be any stronger at around 11. Now let's double check. 1, 2. The fuck is going on here? There's the end of the round. It'll go to round 12 and start spawning more, but this time it'll be a lot more. Yeah, if you look at the value up top, we got a 60, we got a 0.92, we got a 60 and a 0.92. But if we walk through them, there's no different. Not a single one of them looks like they're running at 60. Huh. Okay, so this person says, if anyone has an issue with no runners spawning after all of it working up to that point, I had to convert one of my checks to an integer instead of a float, which was, I think it was one of these. Maybe. One of his checks to an integer instead of a float. To integer. No. Integer instead of float, and it fixed it. I don't know why, but I'm sure someone knows. He converted one of his checks to an integer, though. What does that mean? Ooh, excuse me. Can I check one of these to an integer? And then change this to an integer? That's what somebody said that they did. They changed one of their checks to an integer. Guess we'll check it ourselves. See how that works. You know, they all still seem very slow. The thing that we're printing on the top of the screen is the walk speed, so it's clearly changing. Huh. What if if we take both of these and integers, because they were changing into floats, but it doesn't matter. This is an integer. Well, it's technically a float, but it's 0.0, so it's not really a float if it's a solid number instead of a decimal pointed number. So we got 57.5. That's all I'm seeing right now. That's all I'm seeing too. Oh, I got hit. Oh shit. What the hell, man? Okay. So we can change these back to floats and leave one of these as an integer, maybe? Single or double precision? Double precision, maybe? I don't know. Oh, okay. Float to single precision. Why does it do that? Float. Float double. Float double. Divide. Dividing those two. And then maybe taking this to an integer. And this to an integer. I don't know, because he said he only changed. Well, hold up. Can you please upload Fighter, please? Let's try that, maybe. It's gonna go commando, no gun. 91 is the value we got right now. And it's staying at a single 91. So changing those ones didn't work at all. Changing those to floats and leaving them as floats should work. But it's not. But the numbers are changing. Ooh, excuse me. 91. I'm not seeing any numbers changing. Oh, I seen one change. But there's still no runner. Where are you at, bud? There was at least one in here that's number got changed. Huh. Converted one of my checks to an integer instead of a float, and it fixed it. Okay. Then which one are we talking about? This one, maybe? 'Cause these ones are back to being floats. I would assume this one, but I don't know what he means by changing it to a float. Maybe changing that to an integer. Because we're literally getting integer to integer. Why do we need to round it to a number? Integer is a solid number. 91s. Just come up here for a minute, see if we can see anything from afar. I don't see any runners. I think it's kind of cool too how they can see me from up here. I don't see a single one of these guys that are faster than the other. He's glitching coming up here. Good thing this is just a test ramp. I don't see any runner that happens to be faster than the rest. That fucking sucks, man. So we're just transferring that directly into. Hold on, let me do a print string here. Go ahead and print this custom event. We can't do custom events here. Total rounds, but we can inside of here. So print string. We'll do this one on 2. And then we're going to do total runners in round. Right now we're at 0. Let's just run. And then it's going to say, I just launched myself. It says there's 27 of them. Because we're around 10, so they all should be runners. So the number precision is working. But setting their health isn't. Damn it. Let's go to the top. Max walk speed. We're setting that from there, so that means walk speed. Do we need to default these to something? Because it's all going from 0. His run speed is 100. Running speed could be 375, I think. So basically this will do a bunch of the checks, and then when it comes down here to set it, it's setting it to a pretty slow speed. Do another check. Yeah, look, they're still slow as shit. Why? That makes no damn sense. You see here where zombie max walk speed is being set for run speed. Max walk speed is being set from max walk run speed. If we look at the spawn, max walk run speed is zombie max walk speed. Which this is being set before it spawns. Okay, let's just do that again. Just round that back up, I guess. That person said something about rounding a number to be an integer instead. Let's see here. What the fuck? I don't fucking know. Main. Let's go ahead and get rid of that for a minute. Or not for a minute because we don't need it, but still. Attacking player. What if we do a print string? I thought we were. Hang on. Max walk speed. Yeah, we're looking at max walk speed. Okay, so what if we do something real quick so I can really see what I'm looking for? Take this. Append. Add another pin. Max walk speed. And then zombie max walk speed. Oh, fuck. Okay, so that'll print out that. We'll do an append for this one too, but it'll be different. Total runners in round. Just so we can see what we're talking about here better. Compile. Now if we click play, we'll actually be able to see what it says here. Yeah, so total runners in round 0, max walk speed. They all should be runners there. So total runners in round. Max walk speed right now is defaulted to 0, but it gets set later once everything starts to spawn. Wish we could do custom events, but we can't. It's just too damn jam-packed. Okay, so max walk speed plus runner spawned. Or wait. Double check my numbers here. Yeah, so when we do that, we increment runner spawn, zombie max walk speed. Wait. Walk speed, run speed. Hold up. Okay. I think we had this backwards. The walk speed to this one here should be that one. And I'm pretty sure this one should be that one. I think I had it backwards because the running one should have the run spawn incremented. And what the double should be this. Simple mistake, I can tell. Maybe that might have been it. Somehow, no. What the hell am I doing wrong? Okay, so that's from this one. This is the math equation. So minus, float, total runners. And then runner spawned. Total zombies in round. Zombies spawn. So minus and minus. Divide. That. 0 and 1 branch. Untrue. We do that. On this one, we do this, and on false on that one, we do this. Runner spawn, total spawn. Basically, this dude just explained everything really shitty. So I really don't know what the fuck I'm watching or trying to learn. There's a runner spawn, total runners in round. Yeah, I'd like to just double check everything from beginning to a second. Bet you this is wrong. What the hell is this? Okay, multiply and that. So A multiplied, divide and converting it. Rounds and total zombies in round. Round number. Total runners in round. Okay, we're checking if it's less than 3. Okay, so I've done double checked everything in here. Minus it may be, a little messy compared to what he's probably done. It all checks out. Everything he's done, I've done. Set max walk speed by run speed, and walk speed by walk speed. And then we're running spawn increment. So it has something to do with here. Or here. Movement speed, I don't fucking know. Max walk speed literally looks from like it's right. Character movement. Character movement. Max walk speed. Max walk speed. Okay, so we have that here. Okay, that's from the spawner. Get character movement. Yeah, we'll just do it like that. Get max walk speed. And that's what we'll plug into here. Max walk speed. Because it's acting like it's not passing it through. We'll disable that. Bring these here. Go ahead and just remove all of those. From here. Wherever the fuck the event begin play is. Total runners in round is alright. This one can be deleted. It's not letting me delete nothing. Of course. It's just how this thing works sometimes. It's broken. So max walk speed is 0 right now. Yeah, it hasn't changed a bit. So it's defaulting. It seems like it's not even passing through. Max walk speed. Movement speed, run speed. So run speed is what we're setting this to. So what if we take this and plug it in there? I don't know why it wouldn't work any other way, but sure. Oh shit. Okay, so these two are fine, I guess, for now. I'm just getting rid of those two. Max walk speed. Getting rid of that. Just getting rid of that. Get rid of that. So max walk and run speed. This should be printing string. But I want to move that to here. I just want to see what number this is printing out. That should tell me. It's not set. Oh, wait. Okay, so max walk speed. Get. That's the wrong thing. Hold up. Get. And then we should be able to send it through now. And I should be setting on spawn, so hopefully we'll see a number. Okay, we do see a number now, which is great. But the number looks really low. Okay, so the spawner now. Set max walk speed. And we're going to set it from that value that comes through. Now that we know we are getting a number, and it should be setting that value based off of the zombie. No, that's not. Okay, hold up. Zombie. Enemy main, okay. Yep, that was the issue. Let's do the get compile. I know. Go ahead and get. Go ahead and remove most of these. And then we're going to get health. No, we're going to max health. Okay. Set max health. That was this bottom one right here. Next one was attack damage. Set hitting damage. I can't believe I accidentally set it to the fucking other zombie pawn. Get character movement. And set max walk speed. So I was just going too fast when I first created this that I ended up using the wrong zombie, so that explains a lot. It still could not work, but you never know. Yeah, we'll see. Moment of truth. You alright, dude? Oh, he's doing something. He's broken. Which is great, actually. Like, does it suck that it's slightly broken? Yes. But at least it's doing something now. Got max walk speed. Make sure all that's saved. And we're setting max walk speed based off of run speed. The run speed's 375. Let's see here. Walk speed, true, false. Random, less than 3, so it should go down to false. Total zombies in round, so on and so forth. Be spawning, then event graph, everything should be fine. I think. And this is actually hard. Set walk run speed. Set if walker runner. Okay, so walk speed. Oh, yeah. Let's not walk speed. Run speed. It's round number. Here. Set run speed. Okay, so I'm setting a number and then they're defaulting it differently. So this run speed, I'm just going to keep it 0. Because we actually set that here in a minute. Let's see if that changes anything. I'm just going to stand over here. Okay, so it's like they don't see me yet. Which could be a problem. Am I not printing the walk speed anymore? Oh, excuse me. Okay. Round number times 6. So 10 times 6 would be 60 plus that. 95. Minimum and maximum of 30. Run speed. We're using run speed down here to set the zombie's max run speed. Okay, so this is fucking complicated, dude. So setting walk and run speed, we're triggering all that before we actually do anything. Comes down here, does all of this, set if walker or runner, and then it spawns them. Oh man, I don't know. I'll move this down to make it easier to print. Let's see. Max walk speed is 91. Why are you broken, dude? Huh. Set F walker, set walk run speed. So we need to adjust this then. So round speed times 6. Let me go double check his video. Round number 6 times 10. 195, 375, 375. So it's right. Don't know. Let's change this to be 30. So we'll be around 30. See what that does. So we have some variation. We do. He was just working. Yeah. But he's glitched. Oh, what the fuck? I'm not even close to that damn gun. Oh my god, I hate the hitboxes sometimes. Okay, so when it's not lagging, we have different speeds. As you can see, we have a different speed of Zombie. He's like a fast-paced walker. And now we killed the only runner, or walker, I guess you could say the fast-paced. See, it's not spawned any more runners. Huh. Okay, so it's sort of working. It's just the numbers are off. Plus 195. So I want this to start happening like round 10. I don't want it to happen at round 30 type of thing. We'll do 12. We'll double that number. Put it step to 10. What the hell is shotguns all over there? Okay, whatever. He's frozen, so it makes me think that he's supposed to be a runner. It seems to be glitched at times. He is. Why is it glitch like that? Okay, so my other question is, so when we, okay, this is a spawning. We have default controller, so this is set default controller for this pawn, and get possessed by it. So instead of doing that, I have a feeling that maybe resetting some stuff. There's another setting in here, if I can find it. Oh wait, that's enemy by okay. Physics. On there's a setting. Hang on. I can't ever remember the name of the setting. There is a setting in UE5. There is a option in UE5 that makes the AI work when being spawned and not only when placed in the world. Here starts functions immediately when spawned rather than only when placed in the world. This is achieved by setting auto possess AI setting within AI. Okay, so yeah. Auto possess is what it's called. That kind of. Placed in world or spawned. I bet you that's really causing a difference. Well, I don't really know, but we'll see. So the ones that are frozen seem to be the ones that are runners. It just doesn't immediately transfer into working for some reason. Yeah, see, he's a runner, technically, kind of. That's super weird. I don't like this 100%. But as of right now, I don't know if there's anything else I can do to it. I see you. You're a runner, technically. You're a speed walker, I guess you could say. Huh. I don't know. There's just a couple of values that just aren't right, and I don't like it. Also, another value set that isn't right is this. So we have default and max health. Max health is fine, but we want the current health to be set based off of what level you're in. And we do have that, so set max health. So max health is plus 100. Max health plus 1.9. If round base is less than, round number is less than 10, then we're going to use A. And then if it's more than that, if it's higher than 10, we're doing the max health that we have preset. Multiply that by times 9, and that's what we're setting the max health as. And then in spawn, we're taking max health and passing it through, setting their max health based off of that value. Okay, so that might be all right. Don't know. I'm having some issues. These don't feel like the speed is right. They're not running early enough. Whatever. Also, this is remove it enemy. Delay 0.5 and then remove. There should be an actual remove enemy. So that should work too. Give it a few minutes, it should despawn. It's not despawning, okay. Sure, destroy actor. Get the mesh. And then destroy. Remove. I don't know. Target is actor. After 0.3 seconds delay. That's if we're applying damage. This is in the zombie main. Okay. Git is dead. True. Branch. Event tick. Oh, okay. Attack rotation. Okay, so every time this one's going to be jumping. But if it's true, I want to add a delay. I want to add a delay of 0.8 seconds for now. Okay, you're going to be a runner. Whatever. For now, I guess that's just gonna have to be it. Ash is gonna have to work. I don't know. New enemy spawner. I don't know. This is so annoying. It's not really how I want it. But I don't know what value to change for how I want it. Set walk run speeds. I want the running speed to be much faster, much sooner. Because this just does that. So 12 plus 400 maybe? I don't fucking know. This is so annoying. Okay, you're gonna be a runner. Why do they freeze at first? Makes no damn sense. Gosh dang it, okay. There's definitely a lot more walkers than there are runners. Round number times 12, so 10 times 12 is, well, 120. Whatever, yeah, plus 400 if the round number is between 0 and 30. So that's if it's at least that the round number is between 0 and 20. But then 0 and 30 also means 0 and what? 20 and 30. We'll do 15 and 30. And then this one will be 0 and 15. 14. So right now, if we just do this, it would be normal, I think, because we're around 10. Nothing should change. Yeah, they're just normal. There may be occasionally a runner. So if we go up here, we go like around at least 20. So it's higher than 15 and under 30. And then we do that. We should get more runners, maybe. If we got, oh yeah. So when you see them freeze, it's because there's an AI issue, but we do have ones with higher walking speeds. We'll see that here in a second. See, if you look at them, I don't know why, but if you look at them, these guys are running fine. But if they're going to be a runner, you can usually tell. Yeah, right here. Because they're frozen. But they start working. Eventually. For... I don't know what's going on. Come on, buddy, start running. I don't know why. Why are you doing that? Huh. Oh, shit. So is he just like, I don't know. I gotta get out of there. I don't know why it, oh, I thought that I didn't add a crawler, but, Is that guy moving yet? Oh man, about dead. Yeah, I don't know what's up with the runners. They're in the game, but the code is just glitched and I don't know why. Now I can't even see the runner. You can tell which one it is because they stand upright more and they... Oh, he's just not moving at all over there. I don't know. It's just super weird. Yeah, because it... Oh, wait. Oh, wait, he didn't work. Okay. Huh. Super weird. There we go. See? Oh, shit. That's good, Steve. Look at this guy. He's going. It looks a little weird, but he's going. Yeah, I have no idea the reason why the walkers all spawn first and then it spawns a runner, but he freezes. So the runners work. Sort of. And now you guys are all synced up. There will be other animations and other zombies when I get that finished, but right now they're all the same. Can't get hit one more time or I'll die. So yeah, that's odd. We only got one runner out of all that. Which doesn't make any sense. Yeah, okay, there's the one runner. I don't understand what your malfunction is, dude. You glitch and don't spawn right away, and you don't, well, you do, but you don't move. And there's the end of the round. Yes, everything is default right now. Everything will change, but right now it's just trying to get things to work. So yeah, I don't. But always spawn, health, dead, integer, spawn rotation. Don't know. Zero reason for this dude not to just start walking. This is spawn event graph. Spawn and set if walker or runner. So this is doing all this code. So we're going to be setting it to here. I don't know. Check if round ended. That's whenever we spawn all the zombies. So we're setting it first. If zombies alive and max level are less than or equal to. So if zombies alive are less than or equal to max zombies alive, true, set. I feel like there should be a less than. Because if the zombies that are alive are less than the max zombies. Oh, never mind. I read that wrong. Check if round ended. Zombie pawn, total zombies in round. Yeah, I don't know why the dude stops when he first spawns and he just waits. Something is not right. And I don't understand what it is, so I don't know. I guess let's continue watching this video real quick because I got some more logic that I need to understand that I don't understand. So look at that notification bar going off. Oh, we're watching someone called Jim Games. He's the one that's doing most of this for the round-based spotting. Mostly because I don't understand. Yeah, his is working way better than mine. I did something wrong somewhere. This is a 30-minute video. I really don't have to go back through the whole damn thing just to check for one value that I messed up. But one of the people in his comment section said somewhere in the values, I think it was one of these values, they changed it to be an integer value instead of a float, single or double precision. And it worked better, so we could mess with that first. So we could change this to an integer, this to an integer. Yeah, let's try it. I don't know if that's going to go out to be an integer. We're just going to change this whole thing to be integer instead of floats. Because we're only doing random float range 0 and 1. 1 is a whole number, not a decimal pointed number. If we wanted to change this to be random integer, we don't have that? What? Can we change this to be an int? Or no? Nope, okay. I don't know. Okay, let's try this. That dude froze, so he's a runner. I'm going to adjust one more thing too, which was in set. So 0 and 9 for their walk speed. To set the run speed, I want it to be 10 and 30. So if it's at least, round numbers at least 10 or 30, we're going to do this. I don't know. We could be messing with these values and messing it all up. I'm not sure. But the values he did in his video didn't work.